Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will talk about the term hymn. Introduction. The term hymn has a long and varied history dating back to ancient times. Originally, hymns were songs of praise addressed to the gods, heroes, or abstract concepts in Greek culture. However, with the rise of Christianity, the meaning of hymns shifted to denote religious songs celebrating God and expressing devout feelings. This video explores the evolution of hymns from their ancient origins to their modern usage in religious services, touching upon both religious and secular hymns. Ancient Greek hymns. In ancient Greece, hymns were an integral part of religious ceremonies and rituals. Composed in poetic form, these hymns were chanted or sung to honor various deities and express devotion. As Christianity emerged and spread, the early Christian churches incorporated the practices of singing hymns into their liturgy. Some hymns were derived from the texts or paraphrases of Old Testament psalms, while others were original compositions by religious figures of the time. Hymns in the Middle Ages and Reformation. During the Middle Ages and the Protestant Reformation, the tradition of hymn writing continued, with Martin Luther himself composing both lyrics and music for hymns such as "A Mighty Fortress is Our God." The writing of religious hymns persisted through the Renaissance, accompanied by a revival of literary hymns on secular or pagan subjects. These literary hymns were not intended for singing but rather to be read, and poets like Edmund Spenser penned examples celebrating earthly and heavenly love and beauty. Secular hymns and literary hymnody. The secular hymns of this period often resembled odes, being lengthy and elaborate compositions. Alongside religious hymns, there were also hymns addressing pagan gods influenced by the classical tradition. Notable examples of this practice includes Keats's Ode to Apollo and Shelley's Hymn to Apollo and Hymn of Pan. Evolution of hymns. In the 18th century, the hymn underwent significant changes as it became more focused on expressing personal religious emotions. Notable hymnists of this period, including Isaac Watts, Charles and John Wesley, and William Cowper, contributed to the development of the modern hymn form. These hymns were short and intended for public singing during religious services. In the 19th century, American poets such as John Greenleaf Whittier, Oliver Wendell Holmes, and Henry Wadsworth Longfellow also contributed to hymnody. However, the most well-known American devotional songs are the anonymous African American spirituals such as Swing Low, Sweet Chariot, and Go Down Moses. Contemporary relevance of hymns. Throughout history, hymnody has been both a spiritual and artistic endeavor, reflecting the values and beliefs of the cultures and periods in which they were created. Whether celebrating the divine, praising nature, or expressing personal devotion, hymns have played a significant role in human history. In contemporary times, hymns continue to hold a place of importance in religious services across various denominations. The New Oxford Book of Christian Verse, edited by Donald Davy, and other academic works have contributed to the study and appreciation of hymnody's rich tradition. Conclusion. In conclusion, hymns have evolved from ancient Greek songs of praise to modern religious worship. They have served as a means of expressing devotion, exploring spiritual themes, and celebrating both divine and earthly aspects of life. The diverse body of hymns composed throughout history reflects the profound impact of music and poetry on religious and humanistic expression. So this was the discussion on the term hymn. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.